Oh, hello, Emmy. It's so good to see you with my PNP console. It's such a busy time up here at the North Pole. We're making sure every child's big book is up to date before Christmas. Do you know how my elves collect information on you to update your big book? The elves use this magic door to visit your home. As you can see, it's pretty busy around here with all the elves coming and going. They're so excited to see everyone. I'm always very curious to hear from them about who has been naughty and who has been nice. Emmy, let's take a look at your file. Oh, there you are. You're 3 years old, aren't you? And you have a great smile. I'm happy you're surrounded by such great people. You had a very special birthday, didn't you? Oh, look. This is where you live, isn't it? In Pennsylvania. Emmy, do you think you made it onto my nice list this year? Oh, really? Let's find out. Oh, just give me a second. Whenever Sonoma calls me on this phone, he has something important to tell me. Hello? Oh, okay. It looks like someone has been up to a little bit of mischief. Nothing to worry about. Our friend Drone will handle it all. It's so hard to become a good elf sometimes. Emmy, don't you worry, my friend. I'm sure our elves will be back to normal very soon. I know this year your mother has been asking you to try your best not to be too noisy around the house. Did you listen to her? She loves you so much. You know that, don't you? I hope you've been a good little girl since last Christmas. I know there's a present you've been hoping for. Now, let's see here. Jaleesa? Mommy? Oh, here is yours. It seems you've been hoping for a very special gift, like a certain dollhouse. I bet you'll be very happy with that. Emmy, are you ready for this moment? Yes? Okay. Now let's find out if you made it onto my nice list. Well done. Keep up the good work. My elves and I are very proud of you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Ho, 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 ho!